Good evening, guys. ProfitContact. This never seen before WhatsApp automation. It's a brand new WhatsApp traffic machine. Lets you send unlimited messages to unlimited contacts with just one click. ProfitContact has been launched on the Thursday, 19th of August, and the launch will end on Monday, August 23rd. The vendor is Michael Mack. So what is Profit Contact? It is a fully cloud-based WhatsApp messaging system. So the chances is 98% open rate guaranteed. 98%. People nowadays use WhatsApp. So we can say goodbye to typical 3 to 5% autoresponders open rates. Instantly import unlimited contacts. You can import contacts and start messaging within seconds. If you have no contact, no problem. This software will help you get red hot phone leads right away. Unlimited WhatsApp messaging and SMS with built-in SMTPs. Fresh new viral traffic source for your customers. ProfitContact guaranteed high conversion for you. One-time payment only, no monthly fees if you buy within the launching period. There is a built-in drag and drop editor ensures you create killer messages. Integrated WhatsApp mesh sender for maximum engagement. There's nothing to configure. It's all done for you. It's perfect for affiliates, e-com, sellers, offline, everyone doing marketing. So this is never seen before WhatsApp automation. It's an unlimited cloud-based WhatsApp autoresponder messaging machine. They can send any message with any link or offer to 2 billion plus people in 180 countries who are using mobile handphone. So the chances is that 98% of the users will open up WhatsApp. So they find out that people glued to their phones. So instantly it import unlimited contact and start messaging in seconds. No contacts, no problem. The software will get you red hot phone leads for you on autopilot. So say goodbye to boring email autoresponders with 3% open rates only. ProfitContact. Get started with this revolutionary new software today. Thank you. See you again later.
How would you like to be able to send a direct message to the phones of over 2 billion people all with a single click of a button? Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own messaging machine that got you a 98% open rate, reaching people in 180 countries, blasting your affiliate link to millions of people in seconds. Now you always hear the words, build your list, and the money is in the list. That's because when you have a list, you literally have access to push-button profits. Big marketers and big companies alike are cashing in thousands of dollars simply by sending one message. But email marketing is dying. It's expensive to send emails, expensive to build your list, and the worst of it all, nobody is reading their emails anymore. You know this. You don't. What are they doing instead? They are hooked to their phone. That's right. People are non-stop using their phones, texting through a bunch of social media apps and away from their email inboxes. The bottom line is this. It's hard to build an email list and even harder to convert it into sales. So what's the fix that gets you all the benefits of an autoresponder while letting you tap into even better conversions than email, virtually unlimited leads, and instant traffic? Well, it's the first ever WhatsApp autoresponder, introducing ProfitContact. WhatsApp has 2+ billion users, and they each check their WhatsApp an average of 30 times a day. Now that's insane. Open rates on WhatsApp are 99% versus a measly 5% on email. And people love to text, but they hate email. ProfitContact is a brand new software that automatically finds WhatsApp targeted leads, adds their phone as a contact, then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link. Now it can send direct messages to one contact at a time, or you could blast out millions of messages at once. We give you our own dedicated SMTPs, sending servers and IP pools, so that you can send out millions of messages at once at zero cost. It's like email marketing on steroids, but with no list building needed and virtually 100% open rates. It's like going back 20 years in email marketing. Best part, it works even if you have 0 WhatsApp contacts. You can send your affiliate link to millions of people that are targeted to your niche and have them read and open from their phone. Here's just a glimpse of the features. First, there's the fully cloud-based WhatsApp messaging system with the 98% open rate guaranteed. Second, instantly you can import unlimited contacts and start messaging. That's right, within seconds. Third, no contacts, no problem. We help you get red-hot phone leads right away. Next, unlimited WhatsApp messaging and SMS with built-in SMTPs. And lastly, drag and drop message builder with scheduler included so that you can send now or schedule it for later. Now, there are moments in our lives when we're faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are, and this is one of those moments. This is uncharted territory. It's new, it's exciting, and it's taking advantage of something that is doing great and that you can have a major impact in. Imagine if you could overnight have access to 2 billion phone numbers and the ability to blast any message, link, or offer to them instantly. It would turn you into the next Zuckerberg. ProfitContact truly is the ultimate autoresponder, but it's not what you think. No, instead of boring old emails, ProfitContact automatically finds WhatsApp targeted leads, adds their phone numbers as a contact, then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link right in them. Now, this is the new era of messaging, and this is your chance to be one of the first people to take advantage of it. It's truly an unprecedented opportunity. Don't let it slip away. So don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitContact during the early bird launch. That includes a massive $100 discount, and you get our platform with lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of WhatsApp marketing together with you. Welcome to ProfitContact.
WhatsApp messages have a 99% open rate, out of which 97% are opened within the first 15 minutes of delivery. That's incredible, whereas email has maximum 10% for any marketing emails, maybe less. And today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to leverage WhatsApp for your business using ProfitContact. So first we go to WhatsApp and then we click on Add Account. Here we get a code. I'm going to scan it with my own phone right now. Done, as simple as that. And we're logged in. Here we can see my access token as well as all of the information about my device, so we know it's all okay. Then we can see our chats, and here we have our chat. Now we can use ProfitContact to actually chat through WhatsApp, so we don't even have to use the autoresponder or chatbot. And then we can check out the other features. So here we have an autoresponder, and here I'm just going to set it to individual and just going to type any message. Here we have a preview of how it's going to look on WhatsApp. So you can also post any kind of photos, media, anything you want to make your message look as attractive as possible. You can select it to accept contacts if you don't want some of your contacts receiving this message. And once you click on submit, And anytime someone messages you, you are going to be replying to them with this. So you can set it up whenever you're on a vacation, if you have a business WhatsApp account, or you can send them affiliate links. Anything you want is possible with ProfitContact. Then we have bulk messaging, where we can create our campaign. We can create schedules to manage all of these bulk messaging campaigns. And we can also manage our contacts. For now, I'm just going to create a group with one contact, and now we can create a campaign. Done. And now we're waiting for ProfitContact to send the message. Meanwhile, let's check out the chatbot. The chatbot is using simple syntaxes. So you can select it again to send it to all individual or only to a single group, like the group we just created. So whenever someone sends you a message using a certain keyword, you can make the chatbot reply to that message. So if someone says help, you can then send them to your support page and anything like that. We can create any type of syntaxes we want. And last but not least, we can export all of our contacts so you can then upload them wherever you want. You can have all of those awesome phone numbers in one place. But that's not all about ProfitContact. You also have access to a file manager, so you can upload images directly into ProfitContact and then directly use them from it. You don't need to upload anything from your desktop, just upload the images here and then use them from ProfitContact. You have captions, so you can write predefined text you can use in your autoresponder, chatbot, wherever you want. And then you have messaging, which is for SMS. And this is only for our pro users. So once you create your list and you add phone numbers, you can also import the list you got from WhatsApp. I'm going to just compose a message right now, something like this is so cool. I'm just going to send. The list has my phone number, so we should get a message immediately. And surely enough, here it is. Perfect. Now, with that being said, let's check back on my contact in WhatsApp and let's see if the message was sent. And of course, you can see it 43 seconds ago, the message was sent. And as I said, you can also just type here like, welcome to ProfitContact. Send, and it will immediately send into our WhatsApp conversation. If I'm checking on my phone, I'll see the exact same thing. You also have cool stats like it shows that you're connected, it shows you your battery, so you can always know what's happening with your device. ProfitContact is incredibly easy to use. And if you want to take your marketing to the next level, take advantage of this offer right now. Thank you, and I'll see you inside.